Horses out, we have green grass, fast to begin the force, brown baby, Gifted Champ is racing in fourth, Shuttler's Treasure, Adhikain, and Green Diamond is the early trailer. We have green grass by Auralenka, the force is on the outside, second, 4 lengths of winter now, Gifted Champ, down on the inside is brown baby, Shuttler's Treasure, Adhikain, and Green Diamond still racing in last. Meanwhile, we have green grass by Avaraneka, and on the outside is the force. 5 lengths away in third, Gifted Champ, brown baby, then followed by Shuttler's Treasure, Adhikain, and Green Diamond. And still green grass by Avaraneka. The force remains in second, and in third, Gifted Champ, brown baby still in fourth, Shuttler's Treasure, Adhikain, and Green Diamond. Green grass by about 2 lengths this time. The force moving upon the outside now is Gifted Champ to take second. Brown baby in fourth, then followed by Shuttler's Treasure. As they come down at the last 200, Jesse Basilio Gusse still with double wrap on green grass. Down on the inside is Gifted Champ, but it's still green grass. Gifted Champ is down on the inside. Green grass, Gifted Champ moving up by the rail. It's now Gifted Champ over green grass, and finally it's Gifted Champ. Green grass, brown baby, then comes Green Diamond.
Yan na.
Yan na.
3-4. 3-4-2-1, datingan natin.
494 ang